Alright, so let's first start with the creation of our product that we'll be selling in our sales funnel. So it is really simple. And when you're inside your funnel, just click on store. And that's where we'll be able to create our product and other things for our store. So when you click on products, you have there all the lists and the list of all the products that you have inside your funnel or website, whatever it is. Now, in this case, we don't have any products. So we can click on add product. And from there, we can now start and select what kind of a type of a product we'll be creating. Now, you can create different types of products. Physical products, which have shipping required. Obviously, you have to ship that product to a customer. Digital products, which are downloadable products, such as, let's say, PDFs or MP3s or some kind of videos, whatever it is that you are giving to the user after they purchase the product. Services, which are basically nothing, that basically is just a payment that you do. That's why we call them services. It can be a service or something that you don't actually send to the user. And of course, memberships, if you're doing for example, subscriptions. Well, actually you can do subscriptions for all sorts of products, even if it's a physical product, but memberships are more about giving access to secured content, such as video tutorials or something that people require to get assigned to a membership group and create an account with the purchase on your website or funnel. So let's start with an example of creating a physical product for our funnel, which is for a single product. Now inside you have the ability to create and modify your product itself and what kind of specifications there are. So you can start with adding some name, let's say physical product. You can add some description to the product itself. So you can add, just edit the text, add different widgets to it. For example, if you want something extra to the whole description, maybe a button, maybe an image, an accordion, or whatever it is, you can just drag and add it to the design, and that will be part of your description of the product itself. This is mostly used actually not so much for the sales funnel, as you not be really having an actual product page. That will be the landing page that you're doing, which is a whole new concept there. But still, even you can add some information here if you wish. For the sake of an example, we'll just leave it as it is and just add whatever pricing we want to charge for that product. We can upload an image, of course, so you can select here an image that you have in your library, or you can just upload a new image from clicking upload a file. Just let's select this image. You can of course add like stock keeping availability unit, like school availability in stock, weight if that is important for the shipping of your products. So you can add your information. Like I said, you can create this to be on a sale as well. So you can have it as a sale product, let's say 39, that will show in your checkout as well. You can make it as a subscription. So if you want this product, let's say you have a product, physical or whatever, that is actually being on a recurring payment, where you can have, for example, every month you're sending out something to the users, or actually you can do it as an installment payment. This is also an option. So you can have, let's say people don't have the ability to pay at once. You can just make it at 3 installments, for example, over once every month. So for example, for 3 months, that will be the full payment that will be happen, $49 each time. Of course, this is just an example of how you can do it if you want as a subscription or ongoing subscription or as an installment type of a payment. You can add ask additional information for the product, add a custom thank you page. This is not really applicable for a sales funnel. And of course a category. So just create a category if you don't have one from clicking here, or an existing one that you have. This is not so important when we have a sales funnel, but it is important for creating a product itself. Now, if your product has variations, you can click on add variation and add things like size, color, or any type of variation that you have. These are of course for physical products type of variations, but you can have as whatever you wish. On the side, you can still add more images, URL of the product, and SEO description if you wish to add for SEO purposes. And that's it. Basically, that is how easy it is to create a product, add whatever information is viable for the product you're selling, and just click on save. And that's it. That is how easy it is to create a product. At any point, you can of course click and edit this product to modify the price or any information about it. Now, we have the product. How do we connect it to the funnel? It's really simple. Go to the builder, go to your checkout page, which is our second step of our funnel. You can find it from here or by clicking on the arrow. Now you have your checkout, and again, it is about this bed. In this case, of course, you can modify the images and whatever product that you're selling. If you double click your checkout, you can now select what is the product that you'll be selling. So just select the product that we just created, and that's it. We just created a product and we just linked it to this checkout. Now everybody who is buying a product is going to, well, who gets to the checkout will be buying that product that we just created, because we pre-selected it for them. So they don't have to add to cart, they don't have to pick anything. It is the product itself that we selected, because this is a single product funnel that we are just creating here. Now, if you have multiple products or options, we can look that into the custom checkouts and how you can do that. But this is a video about how to create a product, and I just show you how you can actually link it to a checkout itself. Now, again, you can create as many as you want products and sell them in your funnels in different checkouts in different ways. It depends on what is the idea of your funnel itself. So this is it from me. Check out the next video about how to create amazing one product sales funnels, multiple product sales funnels, and of course custom checkouts.